We're thrilled to introduce the iPool, a revolution in swimming pool technology that's here to redefine your aquatic experience. The iPool isn't just a pool, it's a modern-day marvel. With its sleek design and fun features, it's a testament to how far technology has come, especially in the world of fiberglass pools. This isn't your average backyard edition, it's a cutting-edge oasis. We've listened to what the new generation wants. Millennials and Gen Z, we hear you loud and clear. You're not just looking for a place to swim, you're seeking an innovative and exciting space that matches your dynamic lifestyle. That's exactly what the iPool delivers. It's not just about swimming laps or floating on a raft. It's about pushing the boundaries, offering an experience that's as much about technology and innovation as it is about relaxation and enjoyment. But hey, it's not just for the young and tech-savvy. The iPool is for everyone who appreciates beauty, functionality, and a touch of the extraordinary in their backyard. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.